How to fix Wi-Fi disconnects automatically on Windows. Click on Start, type Control Panel, select Category, Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Left-click Wi-Fi connection. Now left-click Wi-Fi connections, Properties, Configure. Select Power Management. Unselect Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So unselect this box, then OK. Close it. Again, click on Internet, Properties, Configure, Driver, and Update Driver. Now restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple method we can resolve and we can fix Wi-Fi disconnects automatically on Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this method work for you or not.